Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to transfer USDT from eToro in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's rock solid for moving funds without the volatility drama. Whether you're cashing out or sending to another wallet, this guide will get you sorted quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have an eToro account set up with some USDT in your portfolio. You'll also need the destination wallet address ready. Could be on Binance, Coinbase, or your personal hardware wallet. Remember, always double-check addresses to avoid costly mistakes. Step 1. Log into your eToro account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend, go ahead and verify that too. Once you're in, head over to the Portfolio section and find your USDT balance. Step 2. Click on your USDT holdings. This should open up options for withdrawal or transfer. Select Withdraw or Transfer Funds. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Paste it in carefully. Step 3. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. eToro might show you any applicable fees up front, so keep an eye on that. In 2025, expect possible updates to fee structures, but typically, it's a small percentage or flat fee. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation page. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. If all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip. Always use secure networks for these transactions and consider the market conditions, as USDT transfers are instant but can be affected by network congestion. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from eToro in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but if you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.